June 2024, 4:47 p.m., middle of a 200-person wedding. Event planner Michelle Chen was on the phone with the florist, in a panic. What do you mean you didn't get the email about the ceremony arch? The bride was going to walk down the aisle to nothing. Michelle frantically searched her email, found the draft, unsent, sitting in her drafts folder for 3 weeks. 6 months later, she'd be coordinating 8 events monthly instead of 2, making $32,000 a month instead of $8,000, with 0 vendor miscommunications. Part 1. The Communication Chaos. May 2024. Michelle ran a boutique event planning business. She charged $4,000 per event. Average, 2 events per month, $8,000 a month. But here's what each event required. 50-80 vendor communications, venue, 8-12 emails, catering, 10-15 emails, florist, 6-8 emails, DJ band, 5-7 emails, photographer, 4-6 emails, rentals, 8-10 emails, baker, hair, makeup, more. She was managing 150-plus active conversations simultaneously, from memory, with notes scattered across email drafts, post-it notes, spreadsheets, and random notebooks. The result, dropped details, constantly. March, forgot DJ's song change, wrong song played. April, didn't confirm rental time. Tables arrived 2 hours late. May, missed dietary restriction, no vegetarian meals. June, ceremony arch email unsent. Current crisis. The crisis. Michelle called 3 rental companies. 2 were closed. 1 had an arch but couldn't deliver for 2 hours. She called her assistant. Drive to Premier Party Rentals. Pick up the white arch. You have 40 minutes. They got it done. Ceremony started 5 minutes late. The bride never knew, but Michelle did. This is the 4th event in a row where I've dropped something critical. I can't keep doing this. 2 events per month was her maximum before coordination chaos became unmanageable. Part 2. The Relationship Fear. The next day, a planner friend suggested, "Have you looked into AI communication tools?" Michelle, that sounds impersonal. My vendor relationships are everything. I can't automate that. Friend, I'm not saying automate relationships. Automate the tracking so nothing falls through. June 17th, 2024. Michelle Googled AI vendor communication for event planning. Generic automated emails. Hi, vendor name. This is an automated reminder that your delivery is scheduled for date. Michelle's typical email. Hi, Sarah. Hope you're having a great week. I wanted to touch base about the Morrison wedding. 73 words of warmth, context, and relationship maintenance. If I send robotic emails, I'll damage relationships I've spent years building. But writing each email took 8 minutes because she had to pull up timelines, check notes, remember preferences, verify details. What if AI helped me write emails by remembering context, but I could adjust the tone? Part 3. The Test and Transformation. June 19th, 2024. The Experiment. Michelle created a detailed Notion database with event details, vendor contacts, timelines, and open items. Then she gave ChatGPT full context. I'm coordinating a corporate gala on July 20th at the Grand Hall for 150 guests. I need to email the catering director, Jessica Martinez. Key details. Guest count increased from 140 to 150. Need 10 more vegetarian meals and 5 gluten-free. Jessica prefers warm and professional tone. She's been stressed about staff shortages. Write the email. 60 seconds later, AI delivered a warm, professional email that acknowledged Jessica's stress and clearly stated what changed versus stayed the same. Michelle read it 3 times. The tone was perfect, but one problem. The email didn't mention service staff should wear all black. Michelle had forgotten to include it in the prompt. She added that detail. AI updated the email instantly. She tested AI on 4 more vendor emails. Each time, 3-4 minutes per email, versus 8-10 minutes before. AI never forgot details she'd included. She reviewed and adjusted tone slightly. The transformation. July 2024. First full event using the system. 57 vendor communications. 0 miscommunications. 0 crisis scrambles. The bride. That was the most seamless wedding I've ever attended. It felt like nothing could go wrong. August 2024. Scaled to 4 events month. 0 miscommunications. A florist texted, "Your communication has been so clear and consistent lately. Makes my job way easier." September-October. Scaled to 8 events month. Started taking larger, more complex events she'd previously avoided. November. A venue coordinator asked what changed. Michelle was honest. "I use AI to help draft emails. I give it full context, and it helps me write complete messages, but I review everything and adjust the tone." Venue coordinator, "That's smart. I can tell you're still writing them. But yeah, nothing falls through the cracks now." Part 4. The Math and Lessons. Michelle's AI Toolkit. 45-month total before AI. May. Events. 2 month. Revenue, 8,000 month. Communication time, 15-20 HRs week. Dropped details, 4 to 6 per month after AI. December, events, 8 month. Revenue, 32,000 month. Communication time, 10-12 HRs week. Dropped details, 0-1 per month. What this means. Lesson 1. The problem isn't relationship management, it's context management. Relationships stayed the same. Context tracking improved. Lesson 2. AI drafts, you refine. Michelle adjusts tone, adds personal touches, reviews for accuracy. Lesson 3. Errors come from forgotten context, not bad relationships. Forgetting one detail in 150 conversations is a context failure. Lesson 4. Reliability is as valuable as creativity. Running error-free events made clients trust her completely. Michelle Chen was at 4:47 p.m. in June 2024. Ceremony in 45 minutes. No arch, because she forgot to send one email. 2 events monthly. $8,000 month. Every event had a dropped detail that created a crisis. 3 weeks later, she tested if AI could help her stop dropping details without making communication robotic. 6 months later, 8 events monthly, $32,000 month, near zero miscommunications. What changed wasn't her relationship skills or creative vision. She stopped managing 150 simultaneous conversations from memory. AI holds the context. She provides the relationships and judgment. If you're creating crisis scrambles because you can't track every detail, AI won't write your emails for you. It'll help you write them with complete context, so nothing gets forgotten. Your relationships stay personal. Your reliability becomes bulletproof. Tomorrow, more niche transformations. Subscribe.